one of the most popular things that we do for our customers, which is help them to get the Google Drive set up right. And we call it the Google Drive Blueprint. And many, many businesses come to us, the Google Drive is a mess, and we just do our standard setup of the Google Drive Blueprint, and it helps them to get things organized. If you're interested in the Google Drive Blueprint, that is now available. So if you go to itgenius.com. So on our site here, if you're logged in, it's under the services menu. Otherwise, it's just at the top. We've got different services here. So we've got all of our quick fix services, which is our short, rapid, instant IT support. So think about these things as like, I need help immediately type things. You're probably not going to come up against many of these, like, your account being completely disabled or your DNS being broken if you're already a Concierge customer. But hey, just in case they're there, these are all free for you. These are free and all you can eat. Now, we've got about 50 quick fixes that we include as part of Concierge. So all the things we do under quick fix are pretty much all free, depending on what Concierge plan you've got. We're about to launch our new plans, which we're very excited about. But these are basically all free and all you can eat. And there's a whole bunch more that we can do here. So it might be like, hey, help me with a Google spreadsheet, help me work out the best formula. Or it might be, hey, help me, get my printer working again. There's heaps and heaps of quick fixes that we can do for you, and they're all basically included. We then have, and we've got a new name for this, Tech Done. So these are our projects. You get big discount under Concierge. The Google Drive Blueprint is there if you want to, migrate stuff into Google Drive. Concierge, we have just launched remote IT support. So traditional IT desktop support, which we have not done in forever and ever and ever. Half of our customers have a contract with another IT company because they say to us, well, Pete, you guys are great with Google Workspace, but we still go to someone else to do, fix our printers and manage our network and all that kind of stuff. We decided, well, you should have that all under one roof, or it's easier if you've got it all under one roof. Sure, if you want someone to come to your office in Warrnambool, all right, maybe you call somebody local to help with that. But we can do 95% of things remotely. So you can now do an add-on for Concierge. The sales page isn't up, but you can do an add-on for Concierge for desktop support to be added as well. Security, management of your internet, all of that can be handled by the itGenius team based primarily in Melbourne, but also, of course, with our international team as well. So that's only for our Australian customers, though. Anything under Concierge, Tech Done, Quick Fix, they're available globally. So we've got customers all over the world, and we cover Australian and US business hours. For our remote IT support, so that's desktop support, desktop security, and like managing your internet connection. I should have said APAC rather than just Australia. That's available in APAC because some of the staffing for that is done out of the Melbourne office, and we don't yet have a fully fledged remote IT support team available globally yet. We don't have that in US hours, basically. So if you're in the US and you want to get up early or stay up late, that's totally fine. We do deliver that remotely. So get in touch with our team, very affordable. And we've basically made the plans as an add-on to Concierge. So if you're already paying for Concierge, you're not going to double up. So it would be more expensive for you to actually contract someone else than it would be to come with us. So have a chat to the team.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.